Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing these Tozo, or Tuzo, however you want to pronounce that, open ear ring headphones. Had these for a couple weeks now, and I've just been meaning to unbox them and try them out. I actually have a pair of their over-the-ear noise canceling headphones that I've had for quite a while that, again, I need to open and try out, but I've had so many other things to catch up on unboxing-wise that I just haven't gotten around to doing it. Let's see, so we're gonna take a look at these puppies. Case is pretty nice. I don't know if they have any kind of wireless charging or anything. It doesn't specify, but it is USB-C on the back. And pop them open here. It looks like they are have a little battery protector, charge protector on there, so we'll take that off real quick. And I'm guessing they're probably going to need to be charged because they don't have, they weren't in there charging. Looks like the right one might be charged, but I think the left one is dead. I don't know how you put these, how these go on. Never used a headphone like this. Do they just clip onto your ear? I guess so. I'm pretty sure I did that right. Oh, I did that right, I can hear them. Let me see if they show up on my Bluetooth settings here. Here we go. And they're both working. Let me just turn that down a little bit because they are quite loud. And I'm just going to play a quick video. Obviously you guys aren't going to be able to hear it. I don't know if the spatial audio actually works or not, but they sound really good. Oop. Yeah, they sound really good. I'm gonna put them back in the case real quick here. They kind of just clip to your ear. They don't really, that little small part goes in your ear. I'm assuming that's the part that goes in your ear because that's I could hear. So, I guess I can try it the other. Yeah, it definitely doesn't go the other way around. But they're called earring because you wear them like literally like an earring. Make sure that one got in there. There we go. So they are both charged. You got your case battery in the middle there, and then your each left and right headphone battery. And of course the device will show a combination of the two. Showed they were at 90%. So that is pretty cool. And like I said, they sounded really good. So those are the Tozo open ear ring headphones, and I will review their other ones here shortly. I'll leave a link down into the description where you can pick these up on Amazon if you guys want to check them out for yourself. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.